In this video, we're going to take the Dodge Challenger into a holiday car wash, which claims to be a touchless car wash. Is it really though? Stay tuned to the end to find out. '19 Dodge Challenger, woohoo! I feel I'm betraying Chevrolet and my Corvette because I've got my Chevrolet C4 Corvette jacket on, but I am driving the Dodge, going with the Mopar. This car wash I hate. Watch how closely when we exit, the dryer comes to touching the car. Like the wheels will bounce up and down and potentially touch the paint, which makes it not a touchless wash when the dryer hits your car. Not touchless. Fail, not touchless. Fail, not touchless. The majority of holiday car washes that I've been to in the Minneapolis, Minnesota area use the same dryer, so they are not really a touchless car wash because their dryer touches your car. If you're in the Brooklyn Park, Minnesota area, visit the Holiday at 9399 West Broadway, which is near West Broadway and Highway 610. That has a far better dryer mechanism. It gets your car really dry, almost has too much air pressure, will bend your hood in slightly. But other than that, your car is dry at the end of it and it doesn't touch your car, so check that out. So there you have it. The holiday station stores in the Minneapolis, Minnesota area that claim to be a touchless car wash aren't all a touchless car wash, as their dryer is going to touch your car on the way out. If you found this video beneficial, please like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.